a household name for 67 plus years, the ultimate cooling comfort. Japan's #1 consumer appliances brand with a legacy of more than 106 years. Panasonic Air Conditioner. Pioneering innovative, cutting-edge technology, Panasonic brings effortless cooling and convenience for a better life. Presenting Panasonic India Ka CaptAIn Cool. Trusted AC for smart India. Cooling you can trust season after season. Just like a true CaptAIn with unmatched quality and unshakable trust. Panasonic's QU Series of air conditioners with rated cooling capacity of 2.5 ton to make your bigger spaces truly smart, cool and comfortable. Panasonic brings its premium design with an extra-wide indoor unit which boasts of our precise Japanese craftsmanship and higher airflow for the Indian market. Panasonic's latest QU Series AC comes in 3-star rating, which provides you with premium smart features, higher airflow, faster cooling, and low power consumption for complete peace of mind. This series comes in a 2.5-ton capacity, catering to your diverse needs for bigger spaces. The QU Series is a part of India's first Matter-enabled room air conditioners. Matter is a universal standard that allows smart devices from different brands to communicate with each other. So your AC can now interact with other Matter-enabled ACs in your home for different brands. Matter teams up efficiently with MirAIe to onboard all your Matter-enabled smart devices operations to one single app with ease. India Ka CaptAIn Cool with MirAIe. Panasonic's AI-enabled app, an intelligent and intuitive platform with smart features for total control of your AC. Do you wake up in the middle of the night because it gets too cold or too hot? Well, not anymore. With MirAIe, you can pre-schedule your hourly cooling temperatures for the entire night, tailored according to your preference. This will ensure you sleep uninterrupted throughout the night and start your day off energetically. When it's just too hot outside and you are on your way back home after a long day of work, imagine walking into a house that's already cool. Now you can set your AC as turned on or off with proximity control feature in your MirAIe app. Get notification on your mobile to turn on or off the AC when you are in your specific distance range, which is customizable as per your need. With MirAIe app, you can have full control of your Panasonic AC anytime, anywhere, even when you are out of your home. And best part, you can control your AC using voice commands. The MirAIe app sends timely filter cleaning notifications. With one-touch service request, you can directly connect to Panasonic services instantly to have a complete peace of mind. Panasonic's advanced Dust Buster technology activates automatically after every 8 hours of AC running, continuous or cumulative. In Dust Buster mode, the outdoor fan rotates in reverse direction for 3 minutes to push out dust from the condenser coil. This results in steady cooling, better efficiency, and enhances the outdoor unit's heat exchanger life. The state-of-the-art AI feature of the Panasonic Smart AC reads the room and with its AI algorithm adjusts its cooling from set temperature and mode to fan speed based on external weather conditions such as ambient temperature and humidity. ConvertiAIn technology allows you to efficiently and effectively save energy by simply adjusting the cooling performance between 8 different levels via remote control or through the MirAIe app. No matter the number of people inside or even for bigger room sizes, each area gets efficient cooling. With a bigger blower and wider indoor unit, enjoy a boost of cool airflow. The big flap side directs airflow towards the farthest corners of the room. Panasonic's advanced 4-way swing and higher airflow ensure uniform cooling throughout the room, with cool air distributed in each corner of the room. When your air conditioner coil gets clogged with dirt and dust over a period, it has to work harder to push air through to cool your space. This increases energy consumption and lessens cooling performance. Crystal Clean provides self-cleaning through frosting and defrosting mechanisms in just 15 minutes. It flushes out dust and dirt to ensure you always breathe clean and fresh air. Panasonic's trusted ACs are designed to perform efficiently, providing uniform comfort cooling even during extreme heat waves as high up to 55 degrees Celsius. The EcoTough outdoor casing is exceptionally crafted to withstand harsh weather conditions like heavy rain, direct sunlight, and strong winds and dust. Additional preventive anti-leak coating Shield Blue Plus on the copper U bend, which prevents leakage of refrigerant and ensures a longer lifespan for the heat exchanger. Bluefin technology with hydrophilic properties also protects in high humidity coastal areas. 100% copper tubing delivers better heat transfer for faster cooling. Stabilizer-free operation ensures that this AC is designed to operate despite voltage fluctuations to provide you peace of mind. Not only is outside pollution harmful to us, but indoor air quality is equally important. To address this, it comes equipped with a PM 0.1 filter that provides you with clean and fresh air. It also comes with AG Clean Plus filter, which is 3-layered herbal filter. It has strong antimicrobial, antifungal, and antioxidant properties to get pure air all time. For complete peace of mind, Panasonic offers a 10-year warranty on compressor, 5-year warranty on PCB, and 5-year warranty on EcoTough ODU casing. The Panasonic Premium QU Series is what your modern and smart home truly deserves.